Hi, I'm Jane King, and this is New to the Street in person back here at the NASDAQ market site in New York City. This show is all about public, private, and blockchain companies, how the CEOs, the founders, and the innovators bringing you lots of opportunities to consider. Here we go. Zapp Electric Vehicles is run by a team of experts from the mobility industry on a mission to redefine the electric two-wheel segment. Zapp's debut product, the i300, is an urban electric high-performance two-wheeler capable of traditional motorcycle levels of performance and a step-through format, making them easier to use and more fun to ride. So for this premium product, the company's premium direct-to-customer experience comes with that as well. So customers ordering the i300 online will have their bikes conveniently delivered to their home. And today, I am happy to have Swin, Chatsuwan, the CEO of Zapp Electric Vehicles. So great to have you here. And let's just start with what led to the founding of the company.
So we saw electrification as an opportunity to create a new category of motorcycle, as you mentioned. Our first product, i300, introduced what we believe could be the sector's first significant innovations in the last 50 years. It should set the standard for at least another 50 years. So this is really the start of a long-term business.
Well, I got a chance to see the bike, and it is very cool looking, and it's won 9 design awards. Explain that. Why is that important?
Today, design is everything. It creates a new brand's DNA, which is critical for the marketing team in today's social media world. The 9 awards validate the originality, the newness, and the significance of i300's design. And today's product design awards consider both form and function. This benefits the customers as well as the way we deliver our product.
Now, giving this different approach to design, how does that position Zapp relative to competitors?
Yes, so design drives desirability. It makes that all-important first emotional connection with customers. So the market, the international market, is really big. It's actually similar in dollar terms to the US pickup truck market and the US luxury car market. Europeans actually buy 4 times more two-wheelers than Americans do, and at a similar price point. Asians, as you mentioned, buy more units than Americans do, and that totals about 50 million two-wheelers last year. More than half of those are indeed in Southeast Asia and India, and these are some of our key markets. Interestingly also, it's growing thanks to increased purchasing power in emerging markets. And rotations to EV two-wheelers has been stronger than cars. 30% of all two-wheelers sold in China are now EV. In 2023, India passed the 1 million units EV for the first time, and it's expected to break through 10% of total sales next year. This will be combined with the imminent ramping of a new company also called Ola, and they're expecting to IPO this year for a $5 billion valuation. So this is an immense opportunity for Zapp and its shareholders, given that we're in the same kind of markets, and our market cap today is much lower by comparison.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Swin, for coming in and explaining this. Like I said, I got a chance to see the bike at an event last night. Beautiful, well-structured. So I wish you the best of luck.
Great. And thank you for having us on the show again.
Fintech TV, the newest streaming channel focused exclusively on the business of blockchain, digital assets, and sustainability, broadcasting from our studio on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange and daily reports from NASDAQ. We are planning a global expansion, 24/7 coverage. You can be a part of the launch as an investor in Fintech TV. For more information, go to fintech.tv/invest.
LRHC Rosa Holdings is disrupting the real estate industry with technology. The tech allows La Rosa to offer agents a choice between a revenue share model or an annual fee-based model with 100% agent commissions. With me is CEO Joe La Rosa and also José Couverte, who is a team leader.
Absolutely.
And so tell me a little bit about how you and José were connected and what his relationship is with the business.
Absolutely. So we're very blessed to have José now part of our family, not only as a team leader, but as a talent acquisition advisor. He's actually built an organization of close to 1,400 agents with a previous company. And so as we've been getting ready to now introduce this very disruptive revenue share model that we're very excited to introduce across the country, I had the opportunity of meeting José, just getting his feedback and being able to kind of pick his brain a little bit. And you know, he'll tell the kind of story. Once we had the opportunity to get to know each other more, the synergy between us was absolutely amazing, and we felt like we have to find a way to be able to work together and bring this model to the market because it's so needed in today's day and age.
José, what would you say to agents? Like, what are some things they should look for in this type of revenue model?
La realidad es que estoy muy contento con esta decisión que hemos tomado de poder mover nuestro negocio a La Rosa. Cuando Joe me presentó la oportunidad y la idea que tenía de poder llevar este beneficio que tienen hoy los agentes a través de la industria, de poder construir un legado a través de lo que es el revenue share, y me explicó lo sencillo que iba a ser, lo fácil que iba a ser para un agente poder comenzar a generar el ingreso, me di cuenta que ninguna otra plataforma lo tenía. Así que me di la tarea de analizarla bien, de proponer algunos cambios, y les presento la mejor oportunidad que ningún agente inmobiliario pueda tener hoy en la industria, en todos los Estados Unidos y próximamente aún fuera de los Estados Unidos. Es el modelo correcto en donde no tan solo vas a poder centrarte en producción, sino también tener diferentes maneras de ingreso para construir lo que más nos importa a nosotros, un legado. Y como hispanos es la oportunidad que nos hacía falta para empoderarnos y poder salir a conquistar en este país a donde nos hemos mudado, no para depender de otros, sino para construir riqueza y un futuro mejor para nuestra familia.
So again, it's really about now supplementing any potential income loss maybe that they have had, or create now multiple streams of revenue. So any of the agents that are out there, if you're looking for additional ways to generate more income within real estate, you know, we have built a program that's absolutely designed for
We
you.
have the best one.
Yeah.
And unique. I mean, there's nothing else like this, right?
Very unique. I mean, there are other companies that offer revenue share, but
Okay.
again, we wanted to become a disruptor. Just like I've always said for years, you know, we didn't invent the idea of offering 100% commission to agents. We just found a way to disrupt it by providing a ton of value to the agents. Same thing with the revenue share. There's a lot of other companies that have had great success with it for them as a company, maybe not as much for the agents. We wanted to put together a plan that was going to disrupt that and really be more focused on creating as much value and much revenue for the agent as possible.
So finally, and I can hear from both of you,
Sure.
what would your message be to agents who are looking at alternatives?
Now is the time. Just bring me an opportunity. Bring us an opportunity to explain our model. I know that it is going to be the best one on the market right now. We can grow together.
Yeah. I mean, the game is changing within the real estate space, and so I think over these next few years, you're going to see obviously new leaders kind of, you know, lead the way in the industry, and we want to be one of those leaders. We want to be as disruptive as we can and focus on not just saying that we're an agent-centric real estate company, but defining what it is to be agent-centric by creating as much value as we can to agents.
Okay, José and Joe, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Do not fear, Microbe Man is here. SGTM's Microbe Man is here to restore your soil and health. Healthy soil, healthy food, healthy people.
Hello and welcome to the Business of Blockchain. I'm Nisa Amoyles. This special episode focused on a blockchain use case is sponsored by Bitzier. Today we're talking about tokenization of real assets. Our guest is Kirti Mudgal of JP Morgan, where she is head of product for Onyx Digital Assets. Welcome, Kirti.
Thank you, Nisa. I really appreciate the opportunity to be here today.
So Jamie Dimon is against Bitcoin, but for blockchain. Tell us a little bit about what you're building at JP Morgan.
Yeah, thanks, Nisa. We get that question a ton, but we've actually been working on blockchain technology since 2015. And right now, where our blockchain efforts predominantly lie are in live products centered around payments. So we have a product called JP Morgan Coin, and centered around digital assets.
What do you hope you can accomplish ultimately here?
I think when I think about the potential for Onyx digital assets and the potential for tokenization in this space, the ambitious answer to that is really in redefining how financial ecosystems operate, that allow for more open access, that allow for more innovative products, and that allow for a world in which we can transact with one another that we haven't currently imagined for ourselves today. So it's kind of a roundabout answer of saying the end game that I hope we reach is one that I currently can't envision, but is one that I think as we continue to break away at some of these operational challenges within the financial landscape, those opportunities of what we could theoretically unlock become a lot more clear.
Super exciting, and thank you so much for coming here today and sharing this with us.
Thank you, Nisa.
And that's it for today's edition of the Business of Blockchain. This special report highlighting a blockchain use case was sponsored by Bitzier. I'm Nisa Amoyles at the NASDAQ market site.
Lameness issues, joint pain, and osteoarthritis can be difficult to treat and debilitating for an animal's health and well-being. Take control of lameness issues and joint pain. Introducing Spring with OsteoCushion technology. With just one injection, Spring with OsteoCushion technology targets the root cause of lameness issues, joint pain, and osteoarthritis, helping animals do what they do best.
Performance Golf is an online platform that helps golfers get better faster. And with me is CEO Brixton Albert to explain exactly how this works. So let's just lay the groundwork. Tell me about Performance Golf, and then we'll dig into the details of the business.
Absolutely, and great to be here. So essentially, we have a platform that helps golfers get better faster at golf by giving the average golfer access to some of the best instructors in the world. Instructors that would be difficult to take lessons from, they're highly regarded, they're very difficult to get in front of and work with face-to-face. We have them on our platform to help golfers get better through our digital courses, our training aids, and actually some golf clubs and artificial intelligence we're creating to help golfers get better at this difficult, frustrating, but also fun game to play.
I know, it's addictive but frustrating. I know from people who golf a lot. So my husband being one of those.
Hardest game for sure.
So what products have been the most popular, would you say?
I would say, so on the digital side, the products that have worked best for us are the one-shot slice fix. It's a course to fix your slice. So 90% of golfers slice, and we've got a great course from Tiger Woods' former coach to fix your slice. Then we have another course called the Simple Strike Sequence. It's a course that helps the average player just make better contact and hit the golf ball more crisply. And then on the physical side, where we actually have golf clubs, we have a driver called the SF1. And it's a driver that actually fixes a golfer's slice, because we've put 5 unique features into the club that all work to help golfers square the face better and hit that ball that's turning right to left versus hitting a slice.
Yeah. So how is it for everybody, even beginners?
Yeah, like we really, like I would say we're not going after tour pros with our platform. They're often working with like teachers, in person. But our platform is really geared for beginner golfers to just the average, weekend golfer, golfer playing a few times a week that just wants to get better and enjoy the game.
How long does it take till they start to see improvement?
Yeah, that's another great question. So when you come into our platform, the solution that you would purchase, the first product, is really geared to fix your biggest pain point. So we want to get golfers that quick win. And that often knocks 3 to 5 shots off their handicap. If you can just fix your biggest issue in golf, that can make the game a lot more fun. But then once we fix that, it's like, okay, what's your second biggest challenge? And then that's where we help them in that step-by-step manner.
Yeah, interesting. How can somebody find out more about Performance Golf?
PerformanceGolf.com. You can also go to the App Store. You can have all of our videos right on your phone if you go to the App Store and type in Performance Golf. And yeah, we'd love to help you improve your game and enjoy the game
We're
more.
getting into the summer, so perfect time
right
to
around the corner.
Improve your golf game.
Yeah.
So Brixton, thank you so much.
Awesome. Thanks for having me here. Yep.
Fintech TV, the newest streaming channel focused exclusively on the business of blockchain, digital assets, and sustainability. Broadcasting from our studio on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange and daily reports from NASDAQ. We are planning a global expansion, 24/7 coverage. You can be a part of the launch as an investor in Fintech TV. For more information, go to fintech.tv/invest.
Do not fear, Microbe Man is here. SGTM's Microbe Man is here to restore your soil and health. Healthy soil, healthy food, healthy people.
Lameness issues, joint pain, and osteoarthritis can be difficult to treat and debilitating for an animal's health and well-being. Take control of lameness issues and joint pain. Introducing Spring with OsteoCushion technology. With just one injection, Spring with OsteoCushion technology targets the root cause of lameness issues, joint pain, and osteoarthritis, helping animals do what they do best.
Geo Jam is revolutionizing how social ecosystems function with its AI-driven decentralized platform that's designed to democratize social influence and content sharing. By integrating their native cryptocurrency Jam, which powers machine learning models, Geo Jam offers a suite of tools that enhance accessibility, transparency, and security. This approach empowers users and intertwines their contributions directly with the platform's thriving social economy. The efficacy and appeal of Geo Jam are evident as it is trusted and backed by world-class celebrities like Mariah Carey, Machine Gun Kelly, and Nyjah Houston. Geo Jam's network provides token holders with once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Today, I'm joined by Geo Jam co-founders Sam Krychevsky and Sarah Figueroa. Sarah,
Thank you so much for having us.
So glad to have you here today. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
Foremost, I do want to hear about the genesis of this company. How did you two get started?
Yeah, well, we've always really been obsessed with experiences and concerts and different, just like really fun moments. And that's actually how we met. We met at a music festival and we were brought together by our love of those types of experiences. And we really thought that we could build something around that and really turn it into a business.
And when it comes to crypto and decentralization, I know that is something that excites you as well. So now that you two have teamed up, tell me a little bit more about what excites you about this industry in particular.
Yeah, decentralization just has so much ability to democratize so many industries and really make a sense of equality and give people everyday people opportunities that they wouldn't typically have, and give them power over their products that they are using and ownership as well as like decision-making power so that they have skin in the game, which I think is like super exciting to what we're doing today.
And I love to hear about your mission as well as long-term vision. What's on the horizon?
Well, the mission at Geo Jam is to help the world experience moments together, and that has been our mission since day one, since Sarah and I decided to start the company together, and it remains true every single day. And everything we do as we build this company is driven towards that experience moments together. So whether it's, as Sarah just mentioned, whether the Jam token unlocks experiences and access, right? And so we're helping general everyday folks from all over the world experience moments, whether it be with celebrities or concerts or experiences such as, flying on a private jet with Mariah Carey, who happens to be one of our executive advisors and largest shareholders. So kind of the world of possibilities is limitless and endless.
But I also understand that you have launched a new talent portal as well. So tell me about this launch.
Yeah,
absolutely. So Talent Portal launched probably about a month ago at this point. And the idea was basically to take the ability for your common everyday person, maybe your common everyday crypto holder, to be able to actually access the celebrities, artists, athletes, so you can do anything on there from booking your favorite, KOL, key opinion leader, to tweet about you, to tweet about your whatever it might be, or Telegram, to booking somebody like an Adam Sandler to play, at your birthday party, right? Or a bar mitzvah. mean, really, the possibilities are endless, and we have thousands of different artists and creators on the talent portal currently available. And the way it works is basically you just connect your wallet through standard wallet connect that most people have, and you can connect, let's say, your MetaMask. As long as you're holding Jam, you're able to submit a proposal directly to the talent. And we built a smart contract, which is an escrow smart contract, basically, that takes the Jam and holds it until the transaction is either approved, denied, or completed. So it's amazing. It's really revolutionary, and everybody should check it out. And that is one of our web-based products.
Sarah, Sam, last but not least, before I let you go, you're both entrenched in this space, and I'm sure you're watching a lot of trends. So you get to see the evolution of trends and how they unfold. What trends are you both watching?
Yeah, I think just watching how AI can impact social media in a unique way that's not being done before is a lot of social media platforms are looking at how do we disrupt this $251 billion industry with AI. But I think that the way that Geo Jam is doing it is super unique.
Absolutely. And the trend that I'm honestly really excited about is digital currencies, right? And how many people are owning their first digital asset and will continue to earn their first digital asset. With the Bitcoin halving recently getting a lot of publicity and press, this is something that's very impressive now. And we're hoping that this world is going to continue to grow, and that Geo Jam is going to be at the core of everything moving forward.
Sam, Sarah, it was so great to have you on set today here at the New York Stock Exchange. So thank you so much for sharing your story and your journey.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Fintech TV, the newest streaming channel focused exclusively on the business of blockchain, digital assets, and sustainability, broadcasting from our studio on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange and daily reports from NASDAQ. We are planning a global expansion, 24/7 coverage. You can be a part of the launch as an investor in Fintech TV. For more information, go to fintech.tv/invest.
Do not fear, Microbe Man is here. SGTM's Microbe Man is here to restore your soil and health. Healthy soil, healthy food, healthy people.
Lameness issues, joint pain, and osteoarthritis can be difficult to treat and debilitating for an animal's health and well-being. Take control of lameness issues and joint pain. Introducing Spring with OsteoCushion technology. With just one injection, Spring with OsteoCushion technology targets the root cause of lameness issues, joint pain, and osteoarthritis, helping animals do what they do best.
Your data is vulnerable to hackers, with email being the cause of 91% of all cyber attacks. Introducing SKUR, Swiss-hosted, data mine-free, private and secure solutions to protect your communications. Secure Mail offers secure and private email communication. Secure Messenger offers private and secure chats. Secure VPN encrypts your internet traffic and protects your digital identity. Regain your privacy today. Visit SKUR at sekur.com.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to your Sekur Privacy and Security segment. I'm Anna Berry, along with Alain Ghiai, the CEO of Sekur. Our weekly hack topic was perfect because today I met a lady who came in and talked to me, said she has a tumor in her neck and she cannot get a scan because of a cyber attack. So I said, what do you mean? What happened? Well, where she goes to Ascension, which is one of the largest health systems in the United States, with 140 different hospitals, they had a cyber attack and that disrupted its operations. So she went to the clinic to get a scan and they said, we are closed. And this has been going on for a couple of days. I mean, this is medical records, Alain. This is a really big deal. How can something like this happen?
Yes, it's very unfortunate. And it's not the first time a big medical organization has been hacked. You know, we have to always go back to the basics. 91% of all breaches start with email. So whether it's email phishing, business email compromise, and so forth. And for our viewers here, it's basically, you know, the explanation is that hackers monitor communication. They know who has access to what, which database, which backend, and all of that is done with a breach of an email. But we do have this new thing called Secure Relay. It's part of our enterprise solution already for sale on our website. So, and they can also contact us. But for people like you and I and small businesses, yeah, just go and check out our solution. And that would be one of the many emails that you would use, right? Because you want to have more than one email. On an individual basis, we offer 5 aliases as well. These are disposable email outside of your main email. That's a great way to give an email for your mailing list or what have you when you register to something without giving your main email address as well.
There you have it. Now, I'm sure many of our viewers are interested. I know you have a promo code. What is that today?
Promo code privacy. It gives everyone a 15% off for the next 5 years on all our solutions. So go to sekur.com, sign up, get your promo code. We offer free trials and some bundles. You can look into it. And we have a great online chat support between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. East Coast, Monday through Friday. So I wish you all the best in getting your privacy and security back.
All right. Well, privacy has arrived with Sekur. Thank you so much, Alain.
Your data is vulnerable to hackers, with email being the cause of 91% of all cyber attacks. Introducing SKUR, Swiss-hosted, data-mine-free, private and secure solutions to protect your communications. Secure Mail offers secure and private email communication. Secure Messenger offers private and secure chats. Secure VPN encrypts your internet traffic and protects your digital identity. Regain your privacy today. Visit Sekur at sekur.com.